Welcome to Baron-Forness Library's online library tutorials. This tutorial is going to show you how to borrow books from the library during the renovation period. First, we need to navigate to the My Edinburgh site, and then navigate to the library's portal page by clicking the library icon. From here, we want to search just the library's catalog. So under Find Books, we click Library Catalog. Here we can perform any kind of simple search for authors, titles, or subjects. To the right, we can limit to just what is in the library. These are the physical items that are located in the library. Select the title of the book that you wish to choose. From here, we need to perform a sign-in action, which will take us to the Edinburgh login site, where you just use your full Edinburgh email address and password. Once back to the Get It page, we can either request an item, or if we just need a chapter from an item, we can have the library scan that particular chapter and email a PDF copy to you. Here I'm going to click Request. The pickup location is going to be Houten South. This is also going to be the return location when you're done with the material. And then I'm going to click Request. Here we can see that the request has been placed, and we'll receive an email confirmation as well once the item has been pulled from the shelf, which takes generally 1 to 3 days, depending on when we can get into the library. Once you receive this on hold shelf letter, your item is available for pickup in Houten South. Again, as a reminder, Houten South will also be the place where you return the item when you're finished with it.